This is a dunnock's nest. This one's got 3 eggs at the minute, but they can lay up to 5 eggs. They are bluey green in colour, without speckles or spots or anything like that. You mostly find the nests in low brambles or shrubs and gardens and woodland as well. The nest is constructed from, at the base it's got like a lot of small twigs, and then it's built up, as you can see, by a lot of moss in there. And then it has a small thin lining of horsehair type stuff. So that's the dunnock's nest. Great touch. This is a grey wagtail's nest. It's got 5 eggs in there. They can lay anywhere from 4 to 6, and the eggs are around about 1 to 1.5 centimetres in length, sort of thing, and they're generally early spring nesters. You will find them alongside rivers.
Speak on it.
And streams.
That's really gone. Speak on it. I've got to be careful what I'm touching because it's ready to drop. Viewpoint on the camera there. Just get along these branches. They're a member of the crow family. The nest doesn't look much when you're down on the bottom, but when you're actually up here, it's a good deep nest lined out with roots. It's got twigs like a pigeon would build a nest. It's all bits of thin roots and that on the inside. It's a nice nest. It was quite hard to spot. It just looked like an old pigeons from on the floor. You see the big tail sticking at the back. Oh, we got him.
This is a lapwing's nest. They're also known as a green plover. Usually lay about 4 eggs.
Right, this is just showing you we'll just walk through here, show you the surroundings and mallard nest right there. The bird just jumped out when we came through. It's got about 8 eggs in. There's one hiding on the back there somewhere. I'll just move it back over, cover it back up a little bit. And give her a little bit of a fight whether they jump out. Or just taking half a shortcut. Mallard nest and eggs. Straight in front there. It's a water hen or a moorhen. They're known as both. It's looking a little bit alarmed there. It's because I'm standing right in front of its nest here, just on the edge of the pond. Just in the reeds here. It's got about 7 eggs there. That's a water hen's nest.
What one is the moorhen in it?
Aye, moorhen. I nearly crapped myself. It's not too happy that we're here. Oh well. I'll move away from this, I'll go on the other side because there's a pair of coots up the top there.
It does look nice. How many do the layer then?